Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing a damaged LG gram screen. Today, we will take you through each step of the process, ensuring that you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the repair successfully. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this task. A small Phillips screwdriver. A plastic prying tool. A suction cup. A microfiber cloth. Replacement screen, specific to your LG gram model. Once you have your tools ready, start by powering off your device completely. It's crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, use the suction cup to gently pull on the screen's edge. This will help create a gap for the prying tool. Insert the plastic prying tool into the gap and carefully slide it around the edges to detach the screen from the frame. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any further damage. After the screen is loose, you'll notice several screws securing the screen to the laptop body. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. If you're unsure about the organization of the screws, consider taking a picture to reference later. Now, let's clean the internal area before we proceed. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe any dust or debris inside the laptop. This step is often overlooked but can significantly improve the performance of your device after reassembly. With the screws removed and the area cleaned, you can now disconnect the screen's cable. This is typically a flat ribbon cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Gently lift the latch on the connector and pull the cable out carefully. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that even the trickiest parts of the repair are manageable. Now, take your replacement screen and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that the connection is secure before proceeding. Once connected, align the screen with the frame and reinsert the screws you previously removed. At this point, it's a good idea to test the screen before sealing everything back up. Power on your device to check if the new screen is working correctly. If everything looks good, you can continue with the reassembly. If you encounter any issues or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process incredibly convenient. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution to your repair needs. Once you're satisfied with the screen's performance, carefully press the screen back into the frame until you hear a click. This indicates it's securely in place. Finally, give your device a thorough cleaning on the outside to remove any fingerprints or smudges from the repair process. Before you finish, don't forget to get a quote before repair if you opt for professional help in the future. This ensures transparency in pricing and helps you make informed decisions. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your LG gram. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle this repair with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.